Shauna, welcome back to my channel. I'm here for another unboxing of Trendsend by Evereve. And I've received 2 boxes so far and I have absolutely loved everything. I'm not gonna lie, it's more expensive. If you want a cheap unboxing service, this is not for you. But if you value quality and things that are really styled and fun for you, I really recommend these guys, at least so far. I am okay with not getting 4 or 5 pieces. I'm okay with getting 1 really high quality or 2 really high quality pieces that I love. For example, I just got a Stitch Fix box and everything was really high priced, but I didn't love any of it. It was okay, but nothing was special about any of it. And my experience with Evereve and Trendsend is that I might get 1 or 2 pieces, and yeah, they're high priced, but I love them and they're so fun and so funky, and so I'm gonna give them another go. Let's open it up and see what I got this time. I have been so excited to get this box. You would not believe it. Okay, here are the prices here. Let's see. Rebecca styled me, and I know I've mentioned it before, but these come from whatever your local store is. So I happen to have a store in our area and they actually style it out of that store and ship it to me. So it comes really quick. Okay, the first bundle says, but first, gratitude. Oh my gosh, that's cute already. Okay, here is a long sleeve tee, and you guys know how I love stripes, but it is so soft. It's a cream color with black stripes, and I cannot wait to try it on already. Stripes is my jam. Okay. I know they love these. They are Camo Spanx. And they're leggings. And I'm not really a leggings wearer, but I've really wanted to try some of these and maybe branch out a little bit. Okay, we'll try it on. We'll see. They did send me something else camo that I was like, I don't know, but it was so cute on. It was worth it. Okay. Ooh, this is cute. So it's just this cool V-neck sweater, and it is the softest thing ever. It looks really wide and open at the bottom. I bet it would look really cute with these leggings. Okay, it's so soft and the color is amazing. It has this seam down the middle, which I'm kind of liking that look right now. So we'll give that a try. And so they always say if you're not wearing something animal print, you're doing something wrong. And look at this. So I went into the store not too long ago and I ended up buying a snakeskin shirt. And I didn't pick it out because I never would, but they brought it to me and said, hey, you should try this on with some of your other things. And it was so cute and I bought it, and I really loved it. It's such a fun neutral, like instead of just a white shirt or just a black shirt or something like that. It is so fun. And look at that, it has like little puffed up sleeves, a little bit long sleeve. Just a fun take on a long sleeve t-shirt. Here are some cut from the Kloth jeans, and I actually sent them a note and said, if you're gonna send me cut from the Kloth, send me a smaller size, and they did. And so we'll see how these look on. I could use some fun new jeans. Unfortunately, these are kind of the same shade of like a bunch of other jeans I have, so they're gonna have to be good. Okay, the last bundle says play more. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so much stuff in this package. OMG, what is this? Oh my gosh, look, it's a jacket. It's like a totally fun kind of spin on a Moto jacket. It has these kind of pleather, faux leather sleeves, and it's navy ribbed, kind of Moto jacket. Oh my gosh, that is so fun. This is why I like this brand. I would never pick this out, and I bet it is so cute on, and it's so super soft too. Okay, I'm gonna go try all this stuff on and I'm gonna put it together in outfits and we'll see what we think. All right, I'll be right back. All right, here's the first outfit. It is so cute, is it not? It's so cute. Okay, let's start with the jacket. The jacket, I don't know how practical it is, but it is adorable. It is adorable. Look at how cute this is, this ribbing. It's stretchy and comfy and fun. And I can rock a Moto jacket once in a while. But look how fun that is. Oh my gosh. I am kind of in love with this jacket. Yeah, I don't know if I need it, but I love it. Okay. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. I think the length is perfect. Is it me? Is it? Okay, and it goes great with the outfit. So this shirt is what I like to call a big titty hoe shirt. It's because it's a little tight and it shows off the ladies a little more than I'm comfortable with. So it's very flattering and very cute. And actually I just recently bought a shirt with like little puffed up sleeves from Zara and have loved it. But this is just a little too tight for me to be comfortable, even though I think it fits. I could size up and I think it's cute. Like just by itself, I don't love it. But when you throw a cardigan on with it or a jacket or something else with it, it is such a fun like under layer. I am in love with my other one and this hasn't disappointed either, except for it's just too tight for me, even though I think it's flattering and I could probably, pull it off. It wouldn't be something I grabbed all the time. Okay, so let's look at the cut from the Kloth jeans. So they have the high-low bottoms, and they're not skinny. I'll have to look and see what cut they are. They are, let me make sure you guys can see, high-low bottoms, and so they're a little bit wider at the bottoms. They're high-waisted. Are these, okay, be honest, these seem like they fit awesome. Are they cute? The fade is nice. The fit is nice. I always have a little bit of bagginess on my ankles, but I think that's just because of my shape. How's the rear end look? Okay. We know that cut from the Kloth are not cheap jeans, but they're really soft and great. I think that they're tight enough that they'll stretch and still be okay. The color is probably the only thing. It's just I have a couple of jeans with this color already. So, but I do really like these. And I was hoping for a new pair of jeans. Okay, let me know what you think. I'm gonna go try on the next outfit. Okay, here's the next outfit, and it's this long striped t-shirt that is amazingly soft. But tell me what you guys think. This is a little big. Is it a little big? The sleeves are a little bit long, but I kind of like that. But it seems a little too big when the other shirt was the same size and it was so tight. So that just tells you about women's sizing and what we have to deal with. Okay, it's so cute and super soft. I love this neckline. It just might be a little too big. I don't love kind of long shirts, but I can always like front tuck it in some jeans, and that would be really fun. It maybe depend on the price or maybe exchange. I don't know. Okay, I have to think about that one. Tell me what you think about the leggings. I'm just not that great with leggings. I wear them to work out all the time, but I just don't feel like they're day wear. And they could be, but tell me what you think of these. I wasn't sure what shirt to wear with them, and I am not good at pattern mixing, but I gave this a try. They're gray and black, but they have it looks like they have some blue in it too, so I wasn't sure what to dress it with. I think they fit. They're Spanx. It's all in here. I I think they look as good as leggings can look. I'm just not sure they're me. Like I could maybe throw on a big sweater with this, but I just don't tend to throw on oversized stuff. Like I don't tend to wear super wide bottomed shirts, just because I don't find them particularly flattering. I like things that are kind of fitted. So just my style. But what do you think? Is it worth it? I know that they run pretty spendy, but people say they're really worth it. Should I branch out and get camo Spanx leggings? They'd be daring, worth a shot. Should I try it? What about the shirt? Too big? I think it's a little big, but it's real cute too. Okay, I have the green sweater to try on, I think is it. And so maybe I'll try them on with the leggings too and see what I think. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, here's the last outfit, and it's really just the green sweater, which I am in love with. I am in love with this sweater. It is so beautiful, the color. It is so soft. Even, I love the V-neck, the arm length is perfect. Okay, even though I just said in the last outfit, I don't really love kind of wide bottom, long shirts, but this is so cute. Has little cuts, a little bit longer in the back. I think it is so cute. Tell me if I'm crazy. I originally put them on with those leggings, which I hated them with the leggings, and so I put them back on with the cut from the Kloth jeans, and I think it's totally cute. I think this is a sweater that I'd be willing to try actual like a pair of black leggings or something with, because I love this sweater so much. But I think it looks great. I mean, this seems like such a fun fall casual outfit to me. I might just have to get it. Okay, I love this. I think I have to get this. Okay, but first, we have to look at prices because you know it matters. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so all in all, I think this has been a really awesome box. I have liked everything and I've loved most of it. So I think it's a success. Now let's see the prices to see what I'm going to keep. Okay, so, oh shoot, and on here they listed what I should put together. Okay, they put all the outfits together, and I think I did pretty good putting things together, so not too bad. Okay, so I paid a $20 styling fee, and I get 10% off if I keep 4 or more items. The $20 styling fee obviously goes to whatever I purchase. Okay, so the black and white tunic tee, that was a medium and $46.40. It was soft and cute, and $46.40 isn't too bad. I'm not sure I'll have to try it on again. I'm not sure the cut was great on me. Maybe if I tried on with a pair of jeans and kind of front tuck it, I'll get a better idea, but I loved how soft it was. I loved the style, and the neckline was gorgeous. So that's a maybe. The black camo Spanx leggings, oh my MG, they're $54.40. Wow, that is way cheaper than I've seen them before. I think Trunk Club sent me some Spanx leggings for $100. I didn't end up getting them. That's such a good price. I might consider getting them just to try them out. Okay. The V-neck tunic sweater in green, $62.40. I'm totally keeping that. Done and done. Totally worth every dime to me. Okay, the snakeskin puff sleeve top was too small, and it's a medium as well, and it's $54.40. So that price I think is not bad at all. I just have to decide whether I want it to be a bigger size. I'll have to think about that one. And that's on sale. It was originally, the tag says originally $68. Also, it's so nice that they'll send you sale stuff. So the camo pants were on sale, and so was the black and white striped shirt. So I love that they will send sale items. Okay, The cut from the cloth jeans are $71.20, so that is a little bit cheaper than I would normally pay. So that's usually I see them for like $88. So that is a really good price. Okay, I'm gonna just put those in the yes pile because I love that outfit. Am I crazy? That was such a cute outfit. Okay, and then here's the real question mark for me is the Moto jacket. It's not particularly practical. It's not 100% my style, but it is so fun. Is it not really fun? Was it cute? It is $78.40, and that price is on sale as well. Regular price $98. Okay, I have some decisions to make and you have to help me. So comment below, let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel if you like unboxing videos like this and give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.